The porosity and permeability. Interactive calculator solves for key properties of porous media, including porosity, void volume, permeability, flow rate, hydraulic conductivity, and specific discharge. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate porosity from volumes. Calculate void volume from porosity. Calculate permeability using Darcy's law. Calculate flow rate from permeability. Calculate hydraulic conductivity, and calculate specific discharge or Darcy velocity. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate porosity from volumes. This mode requires 2 inputs: void volume VV in cubic meters and total volume VT in cubic meters. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 for void volume VV and 10 for total volume VT. After clicking Calculate, the results show porosity F equals 1,000, which is 100,000%. This makes sense because when the void volume equals the total volume, the entire sample is void space with no solid material. The calculator also shows solid volume versus equals 0.000 in cubic meters, confirming that our sample contains no solid material when porosity is 100%. This tool is essential for characterizing reservoir rocks, soils, and other porous materials. Find the link in the description below.